Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Last Week Tonight. Tonight, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's about as fun as a root canal, the trade war between the US and China. Buckle up, folks, because things just got real. Remember those tariffs Trump slapped on Chinese goods? Well, China decided two could play that game. Last Thursday, China retaliated with a 34% tariff on all US imports. That's right, 34%. It's like they looked at the US tariff and said, "Hold my Tsingtao beer." This latest move is a major escalation in the ongoing trade dispute. It's like watching two toddlers fight over a toy, except the toddlers have nuclear weapons, and the toy is the global economy. So, what does this mean for you, the average Joe or Jane trying to make sense of it all? Well, it means things are about to get interesting, and by interesting I mean potentially very expensive. Unsurprisingly, the global markets have not reacted well to this latest round of tariff-related fisticuffs. It's like someone yelled fire in a crowded theater, except the theater is the New York Stock Exchange and everyone is wearing a Brooks Brothers suit. US stock futures took a nosedive faster than a pigeon trying to avoid a windshield. European markets followed suit because misery loves company apparently. And global shares? Let's just say they're not having a good day. The S&P 500, that bellwether of American economic might, dropped 6%. That's not a dip, folks. That's a full-on belly flop into a pool of uncertainty. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, meanwhile, plummeted a whopping 2,200 points. This isn't just about numbers on a screen, though. These market fluctuations have real-world consequences. They impact retirement savings, investment portfolios, and the overall confidence in the global economy. Now, if you thought tariffs were the only weapon in China's arsenal, you'd be sorely mistaken. China decided to get creative with its retaliation, like a disgruntled chef spitting in a customer's soup. First, they went after America's poultry farmers, suspending imports of chicken from 3 US companies. Their reason? Alleged health concerns. Now, I'm no poultry inspector, but this smells suspiciously like foul play. But wait, there's more. China also went after imports of sorghum from a US company and added several US companies to its unreliable entities list. This list is basically China's version of a naughty list, and getting on it is bad news for businesses. And just to add insult to injury, China slapped export controls on rare earth elements. These elements are crucial for high-tech products, so this move is a direct shot at America's tech industry. Section 4, America's response, a mixture of defiance and a willingness to talk. So, how has the US responded to all of this? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. On the one hand, you've got Trump, who took to his favorite social media platform, Truth Social, to criticize China's response. He called it panicked and wrong because apparently he's the only one allowed to play hardball in this trade war. On the other hand, Trump has also signaled a willingness to negotiate, particularly when it comes to TikTok. He extended the deadline for TikTok's divestment from its Chinese parent company by 75 days. It's a classic Trump move. Talk tough, threaten fire and fury, but ultimately leave the door open for a deal. Whether China will be willing to walk through that door remains to be seen. Section 5, experts sound the alarm, a dangerous game of economic chess. Now, I'm no economist, but I can tell you this. When experts start using words like dangerous and escalation, it's time to pay attention. And that's exactly what they're saying about this latest trade spat. Analysts are warning that China's response is more aggressive than previous actions, signaling that they're not afraid to play hardball. They're also concerned that this escalation could make it much harder to de-escalate the situation down the line. It's like watching two chess grandmasters facing off, each move carefully calculated to put the other in checkmate. The problem is, in this game of economic chess, there are no winners, only losers. If you found this analysis insightful, please like and subscribe for more updates on global economic issues.